Well, this is the Spyder. Isn't this sad how I have to prop open the lid? Watch when I pull this out. It just falls. Oh, it's boom. It won't even stay open. Watch. The gas shock is completely dead. Same as in the seat. 2020 Spyder. The shocks, these shocks underneath the seat and that are useless. So it looks like I'm going to have to buy new ones. I'm not taking it to the shop, even though it's still under warranty, because I'm not going to give it to them for another month to fix that. So watch, pull this out and it just flops right back down. Same way with the seat. Trying to get gas in this thing is a pain. These little gas shocks are absolutely worn out, and it's only not even, well, bought it in February, so it was a year old in February. Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday. I finished my work. It's 5:30. I went out, grabbed the Spyder, and went for a ride, or am going for a ride. Did a short video before this. The tour pack will not stay open. That little gas strut, completely dead. I have to prop it open with the sponge koozie. It won't stay open. I guess I have to order two gas struts, one for the seat and one for the tour pack, because the struts are no good. They don't even last a year and a half. So I'll have to find I'm not going to buy any OEM stuff. I'll find another one that's two more that are a lot cheaper, that are not OEM, and they'll be much better. Oops. Terrible, terrible. I won't take it to the shop because they had it a month just to fix the side cover that wouldn't open. They jammed on it till they broke it. Then they had it out. So they had it over about a month. So I won't take it back to do anything there again. But we went up to the house. My wife and I drove up to the house on Tuesday. We had to meet the builder about concrete. So the whole front yard is a big, like, just so many trees you can't even see the house because we're 160 feet back. So I bought some bright orange parking lot paint, and I walked through where I wanted my driveway, the circle driveway in the front. I wanted to come on the other edge of the property and go through, and it's not a circle, it's kind of like different, and it goes out to the other driveway. And then we'll have like a big 75-foot sidewalk from the front of the house going to the circle driveway and to the driveway, so there'll be two sidewalks. But the other sidewalk's going to go curve, which is going to be kind of nice, and it'll have a couple steps down. So we're getting a lot of extra concrete. I'm going to do the entire thing from the side of the house all the way to like 12 feet on the other side of the shop. Then I want a driveway going on the other side of the shop so I can put a trailer. You know, that trailer we've been moving back and forth that's sitting in my driveway. I can put that back there, and then the future possibility of a smaller motorhome once we retire, and we might get one of those and put it out there too and cover it up. But I don't know, I'm thinking ahead. So we're getting a lot of extra concrete. Unbelievable how much more it's going to cost, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. We're going to have a sidewalk from our lean-to to the back patio, and then a slab from the lean-to over to the apartment door, and then we're going to have an awning over the apartment door, so it's nice for guests when they come in. So a lot of work being done. We got all the drywalls done. They delivered more brick and stone to do the fireplace, you know, the whatever it is, the bottom part, and then all the stone all the way up to the ceiling. So it's going to be a little bit brick top, brick around the edges, and then the white stone to match the house. So it's going to be nice. And not the island, but the counter. It's going to be like a counter where you'll have like bar stools, and that's going to be stone too. on this side, and then the sink and everything else will be on there, and you get granite countertops, and it'll look nice. But we're getting some progress, which we haven't had progress in like June to October. So we started to get some, June, July, August. So June, July, August we had nothing because I didn't order the windows in time. But now we're getting some progress. There should be forming up all the forms to lay concrete this week. So we might head up again next week and have some concrete, which will be nice. I don't have to park on the street. I can park in our driveway. Bye. Oh, I know, I was going to say, I get Tuesdays and Fridays now. So we drove up on Tuesday, and he sent us pictures how he followed my route, cut through our circle driveway. So he sent us pictures that they went through there and took out those trees that I wanted taken out. So sent us pictures, so I thought, oh crap, I want to go up there and take a look. So I rode all the way up there on the Goldwing on Friday. I took off at 6 o'clock in the morning. It was pitch dark out, but believe it or not, it's I don't usually get up that early, but riding up, you could see the entire horizon from north to south was pink. The sunrise. The sunrises are so much prettier than the sunsets. I mean, we had pretty sunsets, but the sunrise was just beautiful. And I rode the Goldwing 478 miles that day. I went all the way up there. I think I got up there about 11 since I left at 6. And I hung out for a little while and shot some photos and did a FaceTime with my wife to show her what was going on. Because it wasn't quite that way on Tuesday when we were up. They did that Thursday. They did the cut through there on Thursday, and should have a driveway next week. So I didn't take this. I took the Goldwing just because it's bigger and heavier, and it did really well. This one I'll take next time. I've taken this up there before too. Bye. Turn on my GoPro again. Last time I came through here, oh, they're there again. Look at the zebra. Check it out. I'm glad I turned it on. Look at the zebra there. I got zebra. Let's see if I can pull over and take a look, see if they don't run away. Check out, they got zebra, they got kangaroos, they have them funky deer. Look at here. Get closer. Oh, look at the deer on the... Oh, they're running. Oh, they're all running. Darn. See the zebra? Aren't they cool? Yep, I spooked them. I got some different kind of deer out there too. The kind that are not native to here. Well, I scared them. But that's pretty cool. I saw some emus down here. And they say they even have kangaroos. I scared them. But they are pretty though. You can probably still see them. Let's see if I see any kangaroos. Pretty cool. Nope, there's some more of those little deer. Little weird looking deer there. Nope, those are real deer. Never mind. That one is. They're babies. See, look at here. Here's little statues. They got kangaroos, zebras. I didn't see any kangaroos though. They might be down here. That's awesome. Oh, there's some more zebra out there. Look at there. You probably can't see them with the GoPro, but there's more zebra. They're really cool. They're like a, well, of course they look like a horse, but there's a bunch of them out there. Yeah. Don't see anything else. This is a pretty area. This is all private property, but this creek is just solid rock, just like most of the creeks around here. And it's a really pretty, you can only stop every so often and get some views. So there's one more. Ooh, that low water crossing just stopped. So if that was someone's driveway, it's gone. Let's see if there's a view here. Nope. It's a couple little views.